It's Super Vendors again. Today is part 1, clearing JC errors for the Dixie-Narco 501E and 276E.
So let's say you go to your machine, press something, says try another selection. I'm gonna come over here. It could mean a lot of different things. It could either mean it's a jam, there's nothing there, it's empty, or whatever. But let's say you came through and it was filled up. Say if it was filled up, it still says try another selection. This is the one. But for this meeting, I purposely jammed this one. But let's say we never knew what was going on and it wasn't jammed. Come here, hit the service button. I reply 3 or 4 or all of them. Let's say there was no jam there. What you would have to do is, well, first I'm gonna clear this jam. Anyways, what you would do is you press 1, this goes to homing, and it homes everything. Everything should be good. After that,